Yes, people, the day has come. Trinidad versus Jamaica. Jamaica versus Trinidad. All you keep saying, try Wray and Nephews, it's stronger, this and that. Well, it's 63%. This is 75%. So we're going to try it out. I've got high hopes. I like the branding on this. It looks a bit nicer than the Trini Puncheon, I'm not going to lie. But let's try it. I'm going to try the Puncheon first. Okay. So let's go. Let's try the Puncheon first. Come on. Rum Wars. This is called Rum Wars. This is Trinidad versus Jamaica. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, boy. Oh, no. Puncheon from Trinidad. Let's go. Not that bad. Right. Okay, that's done. Okay, I'll give that, on a smoothness level, considering it's 75%, an 8.5, all right? Let's go to now the Jamaica famous Wray and Nephew. Wray and him nephews. Let's see if the family make a nice rum. Let me... Still settling in. Oh, God, oh, that smells like bush rum. Even though I don't know what that smells like. But, oh, bush rum. That's bush rum. I feel like I have to be careful on this one. This one real smells different. This one's smelling different. I don't know. Wray, what are you doing to your nephews? Nah, man. Wray, I don't know what you're doing. That tastes like Tanty's bush rum or something. What's going on? But this is the famous Wray and Nephew. Nah, man. But the Puncheon is 75%. This is 63. How many is that? Like 13% stronger. This is 13% stronger. But this is tasting 100% stronger. But this is the stronger one. I'm going to have to say, Trinidad, you have won. I'm not being biased here. Trinidad Puncheon, you can't beat. You can't beat. It's smoother. It's smoother and it's stronger. Yeah then, Rasta. This, don't touch Mr. Wray. Wray and him nephew has got a problem. Him and him nephews, nah. Anyways, everyone, take care. God bless. See you all soon. One love. Yeah, man. Update at the end. I'm feeling good like you should. Mr. Puncheon is smooth. Mr. Wray and Nephews is not. It doesn't taste nice, but I love the design on the Wray and Nephews. Okay, 10 out of 10 for the design. 1 out of 10 for the flavour. It's horrible. Absolutely horrible. But yeah, I'm feeling good. But oh, you love to watch me drink rum. You're gonna cause me a bad scene, you know. Anyways. Thank you all for watching. I really appreciate the support. One love. I'm going to carry on drinking a little more Puncheon. And I'm going to take Mr. Wray and Nephews and put them in the bin. Okay? One love. See you all soon. Yeah, man.
Yo, my brother. He's looking at petrol. Yo. Where you shining, bro?
Go your mouth big like a patrol.
I feel your mouth big.
Right now be driving there, bend up my rim.
Jesus Christ.
Boy, yo, me not look here, you know.
Tell me not look here, you know.
Can't go here. You not spread up your bed.
What? Oh, you don't not spread up bed.
And you not clean out your room, you're Mickey Mouse.
First time I suck pussy, I want bar me there, you know.
Yeah.
And me hear the man them say, nasty man suck pussy. And I said, boy, I left every man to their own philosophy, also. No go and roast your man and a batty man. Right? 3 days after that, no one go back at the bar. If you ask me, if me, the thing when me when do one night and if me do it with you, I say yes. He said, then you can't do it to me, but me never know say express. Me see you lock the 2 windows and left the 2 door open. Lock the 2 door and left the 2 windows open. And call me round at the room, round the counter. And me ground there. So when me ground there, the girl chip me said naked as the game born. The pussy fat and pretty, me say, boy, me have to go down for me knee.
I say go shot.
Me say me have to go down for me knee. And me hear that song come in my head. Satan tried to deceive me. When I was in my room one day, he tried to tell me that my troubles, they would never go away. So confused, with no one to help me, or show me the way, until I kneel right by my bedside. And I'm in the low for me, I'm smelly, I'm start tasty. I say blood clot. Next time myself start get like it. And I found the end.
Right now, my honey, I'm a fuck tonight. Honey. When you get, Mama, cause a boy got dead. Alright, you are dead. No, I mean not dead.
Why not? Hide your daughter, hide your daughter. Me take one shot and then me have to bend her over. Hide your daughter, hide my daughter. Me take two shots and then me have to bend her over. Ganja farmer, ganja farmer. Yeah, me give it to her harder. Length and strength, and me give it to her harder. Ganja farmer, ganja.
It's hot, eh? Hot, like, wow. Oof. Do that. Nino still here. Let's go. Until I sort your eyebrows.
People keep telling me when I come to Jamaica, I gotta try some KFC because Jamaica has the best KFC in the Caribbean. So what I did was stop by the local KFC over here in Montego Bay and I grabbed me a barbecue zinger. That was specifically recommended. Grab that right there. Let's get a bite into this. That's lovely. And to wash it down, I picked me up a bottle of Wray and Nephew. This is my first sip ever of Wray and Nephew. I keep hearing shit about this, how it's so strong. Let's try for the first time. Woo! That motherfucker's strong. Shit. Keep eating this burger though.
Loving life. Granny, do you know how strong that Wray and Nephew's is?
It's only 63%.
Granny, you're gonna be liquored.
Whoosh, whoosh. No, I ain't got that.
Do Wray and Nephews and the boys will give you 100k likes. Cheese! Don't let it flop then, boys. So we've got Wray and Nephew, 63%. This was £10 for this tiny little bottle. I'm scared, mate. This is a bad man drink, yeah? Real yard man thing, isn't it? Alright? Oh, I can smell it already and it fucking stinks. Oh. I'm a bad man. I'm a bad man. I'm a bad man. I'm a pussy. Oh, that's disgusting, bro. 0 out of 10 on flavour. The worst drink I've ever had. Oh, 0 out of 10, bro. Maybe because it's a bad man drink, I'll put a 1 on there. So what's next? Comment down below. Like, comment, share for more content.
I'd never been drunk before in my entire life. And I've never really been that interested in it. But on my wedding night,
My cousins got you drunk.
some of my Congo cousins and some other people like Wray, I know it was you, Wray, I was asking them for a drink because I was thirsty because I was on the dance floor. They were giving me full cups of Wray and Nephew, but I was too I don't know what the word is. There was a lot going on, so I didn't even realize what I was just taking a cup and I was just drinking it. So now I'll leave this part to you since I don't remember it.
So basically, on our wedding night, which is obviously the night that I've been
you're supposed to get freaky.
The night that I've been anticipating, Sterling is flat out drunk. I had to carry him with Sam. Big up Sam.
Sam, love
literally,
you.
Big up Sam.
I threw up in your car, I heard. I heard I threw up in your car. I'm
Child.
really sorry about that.
Sterling.
I'm sorry.
Oh, gosh, that night I was so embarrassed.
I'm sorry.
You know the ones where it's like, it was the first night of being married and I was embarrassed already with my husband. Like,
Oh, wow. I'm trending, I don't know why. Oh, I don't need some pussy. I lost up on my own money.